have never seen Aruba like this before. While tiny, this Dutch Caribbean island off the coast of Venezuela has dry, sunny weather, blind beaches, and a gentle surf. It also has friendly people and attractive prices. I truly understand why Aruba gets more repeat visitors than any other Caribbean island, because this place is truly awesome. What's up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we travel the world only by cruise ship, exploring some of the best destinations and adventures this planet has to offer. So if you're into that, please click like and subscribe, because in today's episode, whether you're looking to relax and unwind or seeking adventure and excitement, Aruba is chock full of incredible things to do, making it the perfect destination for trips of all types.
Also, a small PSA, you are a guest in someone else's country, so please respect the locals and pick up your trash.
Yep. First, decide how you're going to explore Aruba. We decided that an ATV tour with Kini Kini Tours was going to be the best way to hit all the stops to really maximize our Aruba adventure. The staff is super friendly, super knowledgeable, and they're super fun. But more importantly, they're super safe. They do go over the safety procedures before you actually get on the ATV.
The first thing you need to explore is the Baby Natural Bridge at Aircock National Park. This is one of Aruba's most popular attractions. The bridge was a formation of coral limestone cut out by years of pounding surf and was one of the largest of these types of spans in the world. It's about 23 feet above sea level and spans more than 100 feet long. Another stop on our trip was the Natural Pool. Now, a trip to this natural wonder isn't for everyone, but if you don't mind a little adventure, the Natural Pool should not be missed on any good Aruba itinerary. The water was so refreshing. To be honest, it was a little chilly, but jumping off the cliff into the water as the waves crashed back into the pool was completely breathtaking. We'd recommend wearing water shoes like Vibrams because the rocks can be slippery and jagged, so please be careful.
If you're a fan of history, you have to visit the Bushirabana ruins. The Aruba Island Gold Mining Company built the Bushirabana smelter in 1825 to extract gold from the ore that was being mined in the nearby hills of Saru Plot.
If you're visiting Aruba, you don't want to miss out on a sunset catamaran cruise. Imagine a unique sailing adventure in which you glide along Aruba's beautiful coastline. The warm, clear blue water of the Caribbean, paired with hundreds of species of tropical fish and coral, will be a feast for your eyes. If this sounds too good to be true, it's not. If you ever want to relax after a long day of exploring, we highly recommend Octopus Aruba Sunset Catamaran Tours. They have a beautiful lounge sofa on the boat and great onboard food and drink, like the Aruba Ariba, which is a combination of vodka, bananas, orange juice, cranberry juice, pineapple juice, grenadine, and rum.
And speaking of rum, the next thing on our list is becoming a pirate. I didn't think you were going to do that, but you did it. The Jolly Pirates of Aruba is probably some of the best fun I've ever had on a ship. There's awesome music playing, the crew is super friendly and super fun. You get to snorkel in 3 different locations, but what was super awesome was they have a rope on the side of the ship that you can swing off of into the ocean. The Jolly Pirates of Aruba also give you bottomless drinks, and after you've worked up an appetite from being a pirate all day, you get to eat like one too. They provide you with barbecue ribs, chicken, curry pasta salad, rice, and some fruit.
I feel like this goes without saying, but you have to go snorkeling when you're in Aruba. Beaches with powder-fine white sand and warm, clear water offer you top conditions to explore the Caribbean marine life.
Now, the last thing on our list is horseback riding. We didn't get to do this, but while doing our ATV tour, we saw people horseback riding by the ocean, and it was super awesome. Now, if you enjoyed these tips and things to do, we have a free travel guide on our website just for you. It has the emergency response, things to eat, places to see. You can basically download this travel guide and use it without access to the internet. So if you want that, it's on our site. Just visit www.trappedinparadise.tv.com.
If you're a local from Aruba, what did we miss? Because we are definitely coming back, and we cannot wait to explore the rest of the island.
Oh yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in Paris.
Peace.